Hello everyone and welcome back to a new episode of Spice and Easy Kitchen. I hope you are all doing very well, and today's recipe is oven-baked chicken. It is prepared in a special way with a marinade that turns out extremely delicious. For the spices, I have 2 small spoons of mixed herbs here. I also have 1 large spoon of onion powder and about 1 large spoon of garlic powder. The spoon is large but not completely full. I have 1 small spoon of black pepper, 1 well-filled spoon of coriander, and 1 spoon of red pepper. I also add 1 not full spoon of ginger, half a spoon of turmeric, and half a spoon of salt. Here I have some peanut paste for those who want to use it. If you do not want peanut sauce, just add 1 large spoon. I also have 1 large spoon of mustard and half a squeezed lemon. I add 2 spoons of butter and mix everything together with the lemon juice. I slightly warm the butter because cold butter does not melt well. Now everything is ready to be mixed. I mix all the ingredients well. Try chicken this way and you will get a tender, juicy, and very flavorful result. I take the chicken which is already well cleaned and washed with lemon. I blend onion with lemon peel, salt, and ginger. I wash the chicken with this mixture and then start marinating it. It is important to make cuts so the marinade goes inside the chicken. This helps the chicken absorb all the flavors. I pierce the chicken like this so the marinade penetrates well. After marinating the chicken, I prepare the oven dish. I arrange it in this final shape. I place the chicken pieces inside the dish like this. I divided the chicken into 2 pieces so it absorbs the marinade better. You can also keep it whole if you prefer. You always have the freedom to choose. I spread the remaining marinade on top and all over the chicken. Then I cover the chicken like this. If you have aluminum foil, cover the chicken with it. I leave the chicken to rest for 30 minutes to absorb the marinade. Then I bake it at 200 degrees for about 1 hour and 15 minutes. It can bake up to 1 hour and a half. After resting, I place the chicken in the oven at 200 degrees. I cover it with a tray or aluminum foil if needed. I let it cook for 1 hour and 15 minutes until done. Here is the chicken after cooking. Look how much natural sauce it released. I keep basting the chicken with its own sauce. All this sauce came only from the chicken without adding any water. Now I remove the tray. I arrange everything nicely like this. I uncover the chicken so it can brown and get a nice color. While the chicken is browning, I prepare a pan. I add 1 large spoon of butter to the pan. I let the butter melt. I add 70 grams of thinly sliced mushrooms. I add a little black pepper. I also add a little salt. I saute the mushrooms well. Once the mushrooms are cooked, they are ready. These mushrooms will be mixed later with the rice. In a pot, I add 1 large spoon of butter and 1 spoon of olive oil. I add 1 grated clove of garlic. Then I add half a sliced onion. The onion is sautéed and becomes soft. I add 250 grams of well-washed rice. I add salt, but not too much. I add half a spoon of black pepper. I add meat stock or water if you prefer. Everyone can choose according to taste. I let the rice cook until it absorbs all the liquid. While the rice is cooking, I add 1 large spoon of oil. I add 3 pieces of sweet potato, not regular potatoes. I add paprika, garlic powder, and salt to taste. I mix all the spices together. I mix the sweet potatoes well with the seasoning. I prepare the sweet potatoes for the air fryer. Sweet potatoes cooked this way are very tasty. I cook them at 200 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. The rice is now fully cooked. I add the sautéed mushrooms to the rice. I add 30 grams of cheese, any cheese you like. You can skip the cheese if you prefer. I mix everything together and turn off the heat. The sweet potatoes are ready, and this is the final result. This is the final presentation of the chicken. I serve it with some sauce on top. I add a bowl of rice and some cucumber on the side. These are the sweet potato fries, finished with parsley. And here is the rice. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and activate the bell. Now I will cut the chicken so you can see the result. As you can see, it is juicy, tender, and very flavorful. It looks roasted but remains moist and soft. I hope this recipe was to your liking. Thank you for watching and see you next time.